Medical ventilator. Drain the water from the water tank before moving the machine. Prevent machine damage. BIP. Air tubing. Full face mask. Power supply. SD card. Air filter. User manual. T-junction. Carrying bag. Take out the water tank. Add pure water into the water tank. Don't exceed the maximum water level. Connect adapter wire to device. Connect wire to power socket. Select My Options. Ramp time. Click up button to increase or down button to decrease ramp time. Select My Options. Humidity level. Press up bottom to increase or down to decrease humidity level. Select My Options. Work model. Press and hold the Enter button for 5 seconds to unlock parameters. Select My Options. Word mode in ST. Select IPAP. Click up button to increase or down button to decrease IPAP. Select EPAP. Click up button to increase or down button to decrease EPAP. Put the full face mask from top to bottom. Align the silicone pad parts with the nose. Adjust the position and tightness of the mask. Connect air tubing one end to the air outlet of the device, and the other end to the air inlet of the full face mask. Press the Start/Stop button and the machine will start working. Press the up and down buttons allows to view real-time parameters, such as pressure, flow rate, and air leakage, etc. Press the Start/Stop button and the machine stops running. Take out the air filter cover and replace the air filter. The air filter is not washable. It is recommended to replace every 1 to 3 months. The user data is saved in the SD card automatically. Take the SD card out of the card slot on the back side of the machine, and put the SD card in the SD card reader. Then insert SD card reader to computer. Install the Dream Sleep software in the SD card on the computer, and use the software to open the user data in the SD card to view the sleep report. More medical ventilator, www.cjyaxinmedical.com